And then finally, beating you by 1 year, I'd like to hand over now to Shoaib Sufi, who ran his first conference doing what Patricia did in 2013, and now, as the person who oversees the collaborations workshop, has basically taken it through a decade of continuing to be this like really vibrant, amazing event that it is. So over to you, Shoaib.
Thanks, Neil. Thanks, everyone. Just a brief note from myself. So yes, I ran Collaborations Workshop 2013, taking over from Simon, who ran 2012, the famous RSE one, and then ran that for 5 years. And after that, we had there was a couple of years which was run by Anjuri Silva, who's here. He's a SSI, a famous SSI alumni and very nice guy too. And then for the next 4, from 2020, the COVID years, the first 3 COVID years was Rachel Ainsworth, who unfortunately couldn't make it today. And then the first hybrid one was last year. And then obviously this year is Patricia Hetrick. And it's a real, so having oversight of such a process is a real honor, not only to serve the community, but also to work with some amazing people. And, you know, working with each of them has taught me things. Patricia, you know, has thought in ways about things which have surprised me. Really clever person, and great to work with. Positive way, positive. So, so one of the reason I'm speaking, and hopefully I'm not taking too long, is that my tenure as oversight of CW is coming to an end. So this is my last CW as oversight. But don't worry, it's going to a great person. Selena Aragon will be the associate director, will be the next person of doing oversight. There will be a new events manager being recruited. So if you know anyone who's interested, then the job advert is out. Maybe Selena can share it on the Slack. Our interim CW chair will be Lindsay Ballantyne. So, you know, we're taking on you know, great people. And so if you have ideas for CW25, by all means, speak to myself, speak to Patricia, but the team over there will be leading it. Thanks very much for a very enjoyable, I will be at CW25, I hope, but thanks very much for a very, it was an honor to serve the community and to run these events. Thanks very much.